Chapter ellipse. First definition. Locus of the point whose distances from the fixed point and the fixed straight line are in constant ratio E. E means if you take any point in the plane S to fixed point and a fixed point to directrix, ratio is E. This E is called eccentricity of the ellipse, and if E lies between 0 and 1, then the locus of the point is called ellipse. Locus of the point whose distance from the fixed point and the fixed straight line are in constant ratio E is called ellipse, where the E is the eccentricity of the ellipse. Next we move to theorem. Prove that the standard equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Let us consider a fixed point on x-axis called focus, and the fixed line perpendicular to x-axis intersects x-axis at z. Therefore, SZ is perpendicular to directrix. Let A and A dash be on x-axis such that it divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1 and E is to 1 internally and externally. A SA by AZ E is to 1. SA dashed by A dash Z externally minus E is to 1. Okay. Therefore, A and A dash are points on x-axis. SA, A dash are collinear. Let C be the midpoint of A dash. Therefore, CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A units. Therefore, C is 0, 0. Therefore, A is A, 0 and A dash is minus A, 0. So, C be the midpoint of means origin means through C, if you draw a perpendicular to x-axis, it becomes y-axis. Therefore, C is a point of intersection of x and y-axis, right? Therefore, from the definition of ellipse, if A and A dash are taken, SA by AZ is E. E lies between 0 and 1, and S A dash by A dash Z, S to A dash and S to A dash to directrix distances ratio is E. Therefore, from the first one, SA by AZ is equal to E. That implies SA is equal to E into AZ. SA is CA minus CS. Total CA, if you eliminate CS, you will get into SA. Therefore, next S to A distance, directrix is there, A to Z. A to Z, look into RHS, A to Z, E into CZ minus CA. CZ to CA. CZ, if you eliminate CA from CZ, CA is eliminated, we will get AZ. So, if CA is equal to A units, then we can write in the equation as A minus CS is equal to E into CZ, E into CZ minus A into E. That is equation number 1. Let us move into second one. SA dashed by A dash Z is equal to E. Implies SA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. SA dash means CA dash plus CS. SA dash, S to A dash means CA dash plus CS. A dash Z means A dash to C, C to Z. That is CA dash plus CZ. Therefore, if you take CA dash as A plus CS, E into this is A. Therefore, E A plus E into CZ. That is equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. Therefore, we get into 2A is equal to 2 into E into CZ. CS on left hand side gets cancelled. A is on right hand side gets cancelled. Therefore, we remain with CZ is equal to A by E. Since CZ is equal to A by E, the coordinates of Z is A by E, 0. So, we can write the equation of directrix. Let us think about it later. Now, when you subtract 2 from 1, 2 minus 1 implies A gets cancelled on LHS and CZ cancel on RHS. Therefore, we remain with the 2CS is equal to 2AE. CES means S coordinate can be written as AE comma 0. Since we know directrix and we know focus, we can write ellipse equation. It becomes very easy. Since Z is equal to A by E comma 0, equation of directrix is X is equal to A by E. Since Z is equal to A by E, 1 minute I take pen, Ex is equal to AE, Ex minus A is equal to 0. That is equation of directrix. So let P x1 y1 be a point in the plane such that SP by PM is equal to E, where E lies between 0 and 1. Look here, if P is a point, I think you observed the diagram that I have drawn. SP by PM, P to S and P to directrix. SP by PM. Look into the diagram. SP by PM, that is P is any point in the plane, SP by PM is equal to E. Therefore, SP square is equal to E square into PM square. Since S is equal to AE comma 0, distance from S to P is X minus AE whole square plus Y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to E square, and perpendicular distance from P to directrix, that is modulus whole square is PM square. Ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Ax1 is ex1, by1 is 0 minus a by root of a square is e square, b square is 0. If root of e square is e, power square is there, so e square gets cancelled, remaining with x1 square plus a square e square minus 2ae x1 plus y1 square is equal to square this e square x1 square plus a square minus 2ae x1. If you take x1 square common, x1 square here and then x1 square here common, 1 minus e square plus y1 square, I'll write here, and then is equal to a square right hand side, take common, will remain with 1 minus e square. Therefore, divide with the totally this equation with a square into 1 minus e square. Okay, x square by a square, 1 minus e square gets cancelled, plus y1 square by a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. Locus of the point px1 y1 for this equation becomes x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where b square is a square into 1 minus e square. This is the standard equation of the ellipse. We can discuss the nature of the equation later. Now we will move into type 1 equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Clearly a is greater than b. On x-axis, yes, a dash is 2a. 1 minute. A dash is 2a. This is b, this is b dash means b. This length is a units. A to c is a units, and c to a dash ca is also a units. Totally 2a. And this 2a is greater than 2b. Length of this length 2a is on a dash on x-axis. This is greater than b dash on y-axis. Therefore, this axis x-axis is called major axis of the ellipse. And this axis y-axis here it is called minor axis of the ellipse. The length b dash is called minor axis. Therefore, the a is greater than b here, so there is type 1. Major axis along x-axis whose length is 2a, that is a dash length is said to be length of major axis. Minor axis is y-axis and length of minor axis is b dash, that is minor axis length, that is 2b. Center is 0 comma 0, s is ae comma 0, and s dash is minus ae comma 0. The equation of this for s, equation of directrix with respect to s ae comma 0 is x is equal to a by e. For this x is equal to minus a by e. For s is equal to ae comma 0, the corresponding directrix is x is equal to a by e. S dash is equal to minus a by e, corresponding directrix is minus a by e. Eccentricity of the ellipse is root of b square minus a square minus b square by a square. Since b square by a square equal to 1 minus e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So ultimately we can write into e as under root of a square minus b square by a square. This is type 1. So here you have to learn this type carefully. Next we move on to second type. Type 2, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. B is greater than a. Since b is greater than a, if you rotate the type 1 diagram perpendicularly into y-axis, perpendicularly, then b becomes a and a becomes b. So here length b dash becomes major axis, and a dash which lies on x-axis is called a minor axis, since a dash is less than bb dash. Here bb dash is greater than 2b is greater than a dash, length is 2a. Therefore major axis is y-axis, length is 2a, and the minor 2b, and then the major axis is along x-axis, whose length is 2a. Center is same. Here b is greater than a, so that only these changes occurs. So in case of this equation there is no change. A becomes b, b becomes a. Equation remains as itself. Therefore b becomes greater than the value of a. Therefore origin is c0 comma 0. S becomes 0 comma be. Already it is ae comma 0. Here it is 0 comma minus b. Already it is ae minus ae comma 0. Now b coordinates become 0 comma b. B dash becomes 0 comma minus b. And then a becomes a comma 0. A dash becomes minus a comma 0. Therefore equation of directrices. We move on to equation of directrices. Equation of directrices is y-axis parallel to x-axis. Therefore equation of directrices becomes y is equal to plus or minus b by e. So here y is equal to, change it, right, y is equal to plus b by e. This is y is equal to plus b by e. Already we wrote in x is equal to a by e. Here in the y is equal to b by e and y is equal to minus b. This is a second type of ellipse. Here the eccentricity of the ellipse is root of b square minus a square by b square. Directrices, corresponding directrice of S is y is equal to b by e, S dash is minus b by e. Okay, next we move on to third type. Type 3, you shift the origin here. X minus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b. That is first, for first diagram, we shift origin to h comma k, c h comma k. Okay, then the origin to c, that is if you look here, it becomes h, then cs becomes, this is h, plus this is ae. So the coordinate of s becomes h plus ae comma k. This is minus ae, c s dash is minus ae, therefore this becomes h minus ae comma k. So before that we know that in the 0 plus or minus ae comma 0 becomes, if you add hk for the x and y coordinates, it becomes like this. Already it is in the b dash on the 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b, so add hk, h comma k plus b, h comma k minus b. Equation of directrice is x is equal to a by e, add h. And then equation of directrix, this side is x is equal to minus a by e, you add h for this. Therefore the directrices are like this. Major axis is 2a, minor axis is 2b. Major axis is 2a, minor axis is 2b. Coordinate of a comma a dash also you can write, since it is origin is shifted, a comma a dash becomes already a comma 0, no, h plus a plus or minus a comma k. So y-axis is along, y-axis is parallel to y-axis, minor axis parallel to y-axis, major axis parallel to x-axis. So y minus k is equal to 0 is major axis, y minus k is equal to 0 is major axis, where length of major axis is 2a. Look here, a diagonal type, y is equal to k and 2a. Similarly minor axis is 2b. Minor axis equation is parallel to x is equal to h. So major axis is parallel to x axis, minor axis is parallel to y axis. S becomes H plus or minus A comma K. The eccentricity is same as that of equation 1 type 1.